you? Good afternoon. Today I want to tell a proverbs means an empty vessel sound one. It means other agri chalka jai. Then we use many places and like if we give any example, they also use of proverbs. And if anyone don't understand anything, then we can also use proverbs. And I want to tell a proverbs. And empty vessel sound words. It means अलग agri chalka jai. Means if you have a glass and there are some water, then it flow of water, but in a full glass, full water, there is no fall down. And also the example of women, as like women have a strong knowledge and who say I have many knowledge and he say I can do anything. And he understand the student and people you take education from me, but who have a full education, then he say I have I have no education, but he can't say I have more education and I can teach you and I can tell about you. That it means who have full knowledge, then he don't say I have knowledge, but who have some knowledge, then he say I have knowledge. As the example of my uncle's brothers, his friend has some knowledge, but he say I have very knowledge and I can do it. And my brother has knowledge, and he say I cannot do it. He only say it that time he is set up, but who have no knowledge, then he say I have very knowledge. It means and empty values has mom thanks.